how to make a French onion tart. First, you will need pie crust, butter, cheese, onions, of course, carnation milk, salt, garlic powder, more cheese, and pan. I'm sorry. Next, you peel the onion. And then you cut it in half. And then you're gonna place it flat and start cutting. So as soon as you're done with the onions, you have a big bowl of onions. Now you move on, you put the pie crust into the plate, platter, pan. So now you have the pie crust, you just want to put it so it fits along the whole pie. Just fix it so it's equally everywhere. When you're done fixing it, you can make the edges look fancy or cut it off and make it however you look like. So next step, once you're done with the pies, you want to put the butter into a big casserole. So make sure it never burns, you know? Okay. Next you want to put salt. Now once you're done with the salt, you just want to cook it. You take the carnation milk and you take the bowl and just slowly empty it. And don't throw away the can yet, because then you go take some water. Just fill the can up with some water. Maybe pour it in. Next you add some finely chopped parsley, some fresh parsley. Next you take your Parmesan and you just put it in a cup. And you just empty it and mix. Just to cook it a little bit, you take your pie and you put it in the oven just for a little bit. So next, after your onions are soft and they're like giving out a more liquid than the butter was in there, you want to add the milk and the cheese and everything. Then you want to stir so you get it all mixed. Now you want to add a little bit of flour all around. To thicken it, so that way it's not too thin. Now that the onions are ready, you want to start putting the onions into the pie. Like so. And you want to try to get some liquid in there too. Putting the tart in the oven at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. You're gonna want to top it with some cheese, with your Parmesan, just for taste. So now you put the tart in the oven after you put your cheese. Now that the tarts are ready, you want to take them out top. And you just want to slide them onto your hand and just ease it off so it doesn't get messed up.
Yeah, boy. That's it. That lovely?
And now you let it sit until it's cool, and then you can eat it.